guys, I'm Rasmus. I'm here with Renee and Matthew, and today we're doing a huge transformation because we are going from this long hair to super short. Sounds interesting? Please stay tuned. Alright guys, this was the transformation. So Matthew, how do you like to lose that amount of hair?
I'm a little sad to lose the hair, but
there you go.
Thanks, but it's a nice hairstyle that I've gotten, so it was worth it. And you can always grow it out if you need it.
And Renee, you did a great work.
Remember
to leave a comment down below what you think about the hairstyle. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.
Nice hair,
the Mad Matthew look, and I'm ready to go party. And I'll tell you, that's pretty awesome. That's my little brother.
Yeah.
My little brother too.